In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate TradingView with TradingView for a streamlined trading experience. This powerful combination allows you to enhance your trading strategies by utilizing the robust features of both platforms. Let's dive in and get you connected effortlessly. First things first, you'll need your TradingView credentials, specifically your username and password. These can be found conveniently in your Apex Trader Funding dashboard. Keep these details handy as you'll need them during the login process. Next, we're going to activate the necessary add-ons in TradingView. Start by logging into your TradingView platform. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the Application Settings tab. Go ahead and click on it. Within the Application Settings menu, locate the Add-on Tools or API Access section. This is where you'll be able to activate the TradingView integration, a vital step for a successful connection between the platforms. Now that we've set up TradingView, let's shift our focus to TradingView. Begin by opening a chart on TradingView, a simple yet crucial step. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a Trading Panel tab. Click on that tab, which will present you with a list of brokers. From this list, select TradingView. This is your gateway to connecting directly to your trading account from TradingView. With TradingView selected, it's time to log in through TradingView. You'll enter your TradingView username and password here. Take a moment to ensure your details are correctly entered, as even small errors could prevent you from logging in. Once your credentials are in, you'll be prompted to choose your trading mode, either demo or live. Depending on your current needs, select the mode that suits you best, and don't forget to click the Connect button to finalize this step. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some important considerations to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you plan to view and trade live data on TradingView, you'll need to have a TradingView market data subscription. This is an essential component for live data traders. It's also important to make sure you're connecting the right TradingView account, specifically the one linked to your Apex Trader Funding. Double check this to avoid any confusion during your trading sessions. Additionally, remember that you must have an active TradingView account to use this integration, a crucial requirement for it to work. Once your market data subscription is activated, be patient, as it may take up to 5 minutes. If you find it's not activating as expected, restarting TradingView can often resolve these kinds of hiccups. And there you have it, folks, your step-by-step guide to integrating TradingView with TradingView. By following these instructions, you'll ensure a smooth and efficient trading experience, harnessing the full power of both platforms. Enjoy your trading journey and make the most of this dynamic integration.